Welcome to the Container Gardening for One series. And today we're up here to do an update on see how everything's going. As I mentioned before, the purpose of this series is really to test the theory of gardening for one, container gardening on a deck, a patio, somewhere like that. Maybe you live by yourself, or maybe just a small family. You don't really need a big garden, or maybe you don't have the space for a big garden. So our purpose is really to see how far we can go with container gardening. So I planted a lot of different things. Let me do a quick run through. We'll see what's here and how everything's coming around. So here's the Danish Ballhead cabbage, and that's done extremely well up here in this raised container. There's just a goji berry there. This is our winter squash we put in most recently. This is Acorn Table Queen, and you can see that's just starting to come out of the ground. So we'll see how that does and if we can train it to grow along the deck here. Summer squash, rise and shine. I only have one to pop through so far, so giving that a little bit more time. Cucumbers here in the middle, Heyday hybrid, and they just popped up too, so they're doing okay. The summer squash, golden girl, I only have one that popped up so far, so keep an eye on those. The other winter squash we have here is our honey babies, and I only have one of those that came up so far too. So it's still early, so once it warms up again, I think we're going to start having those pop up. Now the bush beans, this is a porch pick. Supposed to be a smaller type of bush bean that isn't real big. So those are coming up good. We'll see how they keep coming. The Hamberg hybrid lettuce, that's growing extremely well to the point that I'm going to start cutting some heads here. I wanted to see how big the heads got before I did cut them, but they're doing extremely well. And I have some other lettuce that I've been eating, so I haven't done anything with these yet. The one thing I did do up here, you'll notice these weren't here before. The reason is I put broccoli in my big garden, the raised bed garden, and for whatever reason, they just did not grow. I mean, they were dying off. So really, it's hard to transplant broccoli like that, but I took the ones that were still alive, brought them up here to see how they're doing. And the reason I did that is if you look right next to it, that's the broccoli, the Waltham 29 that I've been growing up here in a raised bed container, and it's doing extremely well. Why the broccoli down in my raised bed did not do well, and then up here it's doing extremely well, I'm not really sure why, but I brought the ones from the raised bed, brought them up here to try to resuscitate them so I don't lose them all. Sweet peppers here, this is a Groundfather hybrid. This is a direct sow, and they've come up, and so we'll see how they do. I've never did a direct sow sweet pepper before. We start them in the house ahead of time, but see how those come about. My tomato patio hybrids, they're growing real well. The super sweet tomatoes, they're coming in extremely well too. And then my raspberry shortcakes here, these last two, they're doing real well. And I really like these. These are turning out extremely well. This will be the second year I've had them in the ground. And they're supposed to be about a 2 to 3 foot high raspberry that is thornless. You can start seeing here, I'm starting to get some blossoms here, so I should have some raspberries pretty soon. But I really like the idea of just keeping these containers here all the time, and every year just being able to come out here and pick some raspberries. Well, one other thing you may notice here on the deck is all my sweet potato slips, and I have them here. They're getting ready to be put in the ground, so I'm going to be putting them in the ground real soon. But I have 3 or 4 different varieties here, and as soon as I'm able to, I'm going to get them in the ground down in the garden. So that's a quick update on the gardening for one, the container gardening experiment we're trying here. Everything's growing extremely well. We'll come back in a few weeks and see how it's going.